In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Figma design with a client. We'll walk through the basic sharing flow inside Figma so that your client can open your file, view it, and interact with it without any confusion. Even though the process is short, I'll explain what each action does so you feel confident you're giving the right access. First, open your design file in Figma. Once you're inside the file, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a button labeled Share. This is the main control for deciding who can see and work with your design. Go ahead and click on that Share button. When you do, a small sharing window will appear on your screen. Inside this sharing window, you'll notice a section that indicates who currently has access to the file. This might show individual collaborators, your team, or just yourself. Look for the area that says something like Who has access, and click directly on that. This opens up more detailed options, where you can adjust permissions and make sure your client gets exactly the level of access you want them to have. When the access options open, you will see choices such as Can View and Can Edit. Click on the option that best fits what you want your client to do. If your client only needs to review the design, leave comments, and give feedback, choose the View option. This keeps your design safe from accidental changes while still allowing them to interact with comments and prototypes. If, on the other hand, your client is collaborating closely with you and you're comfortable with them making changes directly in the file, choose the Edit option. Just remember that edit access gives them full control to move and modify elements, so use it only when that level of collaboration is needed. After you've selected the correct permission, look for the button to save or confirm your changes in the sharing window. Click on Save to apply the new access settings. This step is important because it locks in your choices so that Figma actually updates who can view or edit the file. Once your changes are saved, you can copy the share link from the same window and send it to your client through email, chat, or your project management tool. They'll be able to open the link and see the design with the exact permissions you just set.